Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So it it is always good to have something new. And here I have something new, and I will explain you the reason of it. These are handmade, made in Japan. These are handmade, hand-painted ceramic little dishes. You see, is there anything different? It's just a small dish, right? But there is something make it unique. And look at this one. Oh, I love this. And it's a long lost love. I used to have it, and then I sold it, and I do not have any more. Now it is coming back. Look at the texture. So beautiful. Don't you think so? Look at the texture. So good. Okay, so these are the little dishes. Little dishes. Little dishes. And this one. This is TT. Oh, with a little bit of spots. Oh, TT is so happy. And this one is Cuckoo. Minu, Cuckoo. A tabby cat. Oh, this is so lovely. Yeah, Cuckoo, TT. And this is a fish plate. Quite comfortable, very, very, it's just so pretty if you use it for, I feel a little bit sorry to use it for ink, but you can use it for soya sauce, for dipping sauce, if you like chili sauce, if you like vinegar sauce, if you like jam, a little bit jam sauce. That is so good. And look at this one, so pretty, don't you think so? Yeah. So it comes from the other day. I was doing calligraphy, and sorry, I was doing calligraphy not in this brush. Okay, I just want to show you these kind of brushes. So I was doing calligraphy, and I put the brush here, and it always fall down and make my tabletop very dirty. Even if I put a piece of paper to protect it, it's just not so yeah, not convenient. It's wet. Then I have this one. How good is it? It has a little concave, conveys, 一点凹下去. It's cut in, so it's just perfect for putting brush, putting chopstick. If you have a pair of chopstick, see, and especially sometimes we have round chopsticks. See, it does not stay, but with this, it stays, never go away. And it's so pretty. I love it. Oh, I love it. It's so good, so pretty. They are on my Etsy shop, and I think the first link of this video, you can see the description. I didn't take out the sticker, and you can kind of quite easily take it out. You can use your hand to peel it off, and if you have luxury of hair blower. Blow on it, it becomes a little bit hot, and then very easily peel it off. So that's a crab, that's a shrimp, and that's a plum blossom, and that is an orchid, let's say, kind of orchid flower. 4 of them, individual or a set of 4, or a set of 2 even, or a set of 2, a set of 2, a set of 4. How good is this? And this one, individual, a set of 2 or a set of 3, like this. I love this. I love this. This makes me so happy. Oh yes, and this one, this is for, I bought it because I want to use it for brush. This brush has not been used. I just put some water on it. And I was thinking sometimes the brush is it gets stuck together, so maybe this way can easily clean the brush. But the original it's quite sharp actually. The original is for grating garlic, to grate ginger, and this is quite unique. I used to sell something like a dish with this inside, and in a fish shape, a dish with these little mountains in it. But when I found this, I was thinking, why there is no dish? And I start to think there might be a reason. It will be easy to get it out. Actually, there is nothing in the middle, on the side. You just scrape it out. I love it so. So I love it. It's a very good one. You can see it's quite sharp actually. Quite sharp. The glaze, no glaze, or special cover up of this, or special surface material, make it so beautiful. This is such a beautiful design. Okay, bye bye friends. I love you. I really do. Let me see if I have anything else to show you. Some friends would like to see some pens. I love these pens because they are, this is the only one. This is a 0.7 0.7. I like the very thick one, very broad line. So this is the most condensed, the most widest, and I have some more in 0.35. Oh, I do not like thin ones, and there are 0.4, 0.3. I greatly do not like. I like the wider, the more comfortable, so that I can finish it and I can have the chance to get a new one. And I think also When I was young, I liked to write big letter, big, very big block, and very hard. I write. Some friends write a notebook, and when they finish, it still feel quite new. And my notebook, when I write it, only halfway it's already fluffy because I write so hard. It tells a lot of a person's character. Someone is more calm, relaxed, delicate. They write thinner, and someone is more passionate, rough, careless, and not calculated, write it very hard. So I am belonging to this not calculated, write half people, write hard kind of people. Anything else? Oh, just on my side there is this painting, and some friends. Oh, luckily this is a piece of clean paper. Usually, a lot of my painting are actually done on recycled paper, and this one I like it actually. I like it very much. Look at it. I am proud of this one. Very proud of this one. There is a unique beauty, cleanness, and it's on my Etsy shop, both on prints and on this original. You can see the ink here. Did you see? Okay, now I am doing another video about starting up a new channel. I have asked friends for comments if I should make a new channel, ASMR channel. So in the following video I will discuss about it. Okay? See you later, alligator. Don't forget the toilet paper.